Hey guys, Portia here, and today I want to share with you all how I make this mini lanyard for my cell phone. I think these things are super cute and really easy to make, so I'm going to give you guys a step-by-step guide on how to accomplish this project. Let's go ahead and jump right in. Alright guys, let's go ahead and discuss our supplies. Here I have a sheet of acetate, and this is what we're going to use to help support the lanyard as it hangs from our device. I have a pair of pliers here, and guys, I was actually trying to order a regular size pair of pliers. I ended up with these little baby toy ones. I got it off of Amazon. It's gonna serve our purpose, but y'all don't make the same mistake that I did. Anywho, I also have different type of purse strap extenders. We won't be using them all, but I like to give options and like show various ways, you know, to do the same thing. Now, what we want to do next is go ahead and cut out our acetate. I'm going to do that on my Cricut Maker. So let's jump right into Cricut Design Space. To create our lanyard support, the first thing we're going to bring in is the square, but the one with the rounded corners. We don't want the one with the pointy corners, so we're going to bring this one in. And what we are going to do is size it, and this is something I recommend that you test for yourself, but the size that I'm going to use is 2.17 by 1.65. And the next thing we're going to go ahead and bring in is an oval, and I think I'm going to use this shape. What is this? I'm saying they're both ovals, so we're going to use the oval that's more like has the circular edges as opposed to the almond edges. So we're going to bring this one in, and I want to size our oval, so let's size that. I'm going to say 0.75 by 0.43. And so what this is going to be the little tab that hangs from the the tag itself, and hangs out of the cell phone's bottom. And I want to bring this over here. And I don't want to pull it like all the way down and center it. I'm going to bring this up just a little bit. And what we're going to do is select both. And we are going to align so we can center horizontally. That looks like it was pretty center already. I'm pull this down just a little bit more. And then do that one more time. Align, center horizontally. All right, great. And from here, what I want to do is select both shapes, and we are going to go ahead and weld them. Now, the next thing that I want to bring in is a circle. We're going to go ahead and size that circle down to 0.2 by 0.2. And it is tiny, y'all. Let's make this a little bit bigger. All right, and then I'm going to slide the circle over, and I want it to sit right about here. And then I'm going to select both, and I believe we can center that horizontally. All right, that looks pretty good, guys. And now I'm going to select both shapes now, and I am going to not weld. I want to, did I weld it? Oh yeah, I wanted to slice y'all. So, and we can delete that. Let me see, delete it. All right, great. So we are left with a little tag. So this part of our tag is going to be sitting behind our cell phone. The tab here is going to be the part sticking out, and then the hole is where we're going to go ahead and attach our lanyard. So guys, what I'm going to do is go ahead and send this to my maker. And I want to show you guys that we are going to select acetate. And then when you select this, I want you to do more pressure. That's going to ensure that it cuts through the material properly. And if your mat isn't as sticky, guys, you can use like painter's tape to tape down the material. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead and cut this out, and then I will meet you guys back over at the work table. All right, guys, here is the finished tag. I guess that's what we'll call it, because I'm not sure what to call it. So here's the finished tag. I know it's a little bit hard to see, but I think you guys get the idea. So this part is going to sit in the cell phone. This is going to hang out of the bottom of the cell phone. This is the case that was on my phone at the top of the video. What I'm going to do is just go ahead and place the tag right through here. So right where the phone charges at. And then I'm going to go ahead and put my phone back in the case. Now, at the top of the video, this is the charm that I had hanging from the phone, but I've since taken it off because I just want to show you guys. You got a couple of options here. What you can do is use the cell phone extender as it comes. So this is actually how it comes when I ordered it. It had the two little pieces hanging. But let me put this on here. I really didn't like the look of the two pieces hanging off of the phone, which is why I used my jewelry pliers to pretty much enhance the purse extenders to my liking. So let's go ahead and take this off, and I'll show you guys exactly how I did that. Now guys, in order to make this one, what I did was I combined two different purse extenders. What I did was I combined this one with a plain one. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how I did that. So here's the plain one, and then here's one with some shape to it. And all I did was took my pliers and opened up the links. Show you how I did that. So that I can remove one of the clips here. I'm going to take that out. We're going to leave that as is. And then we are going to come over here. Now these big old circles, they just too big, y'all. We not messing with these. I'm going to find where the loop opens up at. And then take my other set of pliers and just open it up. And it's easier to do these with real pliers, not these little baby pliers. So let me try that again. There we go. And I want to remove this. And I want to close this back up because I'm going to keep this end. Let's close that back up. Let's do it again. Remove the bulk. Oops, I dropped that. Let's just put it back. All right, so now guys, what I want to do is attach the hearts to our regular chain here, and I just lost the link, but that's okay. We'll put it back. Let's put that in there. I'm going to grip it so that I can grab the other pliers and close the loop. All right. Let's put this loop back. And then let's attach it to the other side of the heart. Drop that right on in there. And grip it again. And then close it on up. Oops. All right, guys, we are all closed. And this is about 8 inches if we were to straighten it out, which is a good length for myself personally, because you know we could wear it as a bracelet if we wanted to when we're holding our cell phone. But let's go ahead and put our lanyard back onto the cell phone. So it snaps right in there. So yeah, guys, this is how you make one of these fancy lanyards for your cell phone. Y'all, I saw these on like Amazon for $50-some, and I said the devil is a lie, which is what inspired me to make my own. So I was like, I'm not doing that. The majority of these supplies I actually had laying around. And guys, you know, we are crafters, we're creators, so a lot of this stuff comes to us really easily. And again, some of these supplies you probably already have. Now, I just thought this was a lot and extra, but it's still kind of cute. If you like a little bit of extraness, which sometimes I do, you know, sometimes we got to do it. But yeah, guys, this is all I have for you today. I just want to share with you all how to make a cute little lanyard, a jewelry type lanyard for your device. If you have any questions or concerns, emotional outbursts, let me know. If you found this video helpful or just plain old entertaining, guys, could you give it a thumbs up? But as always, until next time, peace.